Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vivekanand Academy of Human Excellence. My name is Komal Veer and today I am going to introduce you the next part from 3rd standard English grammar book, and that is article. What is article? This topic is little but confusing and difficult for kids. Now what is article? First, when we start to learn about grammar, we learn about noun. What is noun? Noun means names of animal, names of things, names of flower, names of person, then names of places. These all names in a grammar language we call noun. When we talk about anything, when we use these nouns in a sentence, before that we are using this article. Now, in English, there are 3 articles. Which 3 articles we are going to learn it here, that is, see, you can see this here, a and the. These 3 articles today we will learn here with rules and with some examples. Now, see the first line, we use articles a and the before noun. As I told you, when we use any noun in a sentence, we use article before the noun. There are some rules in English grammar that how to use this article before noun, where to use and how to use. That we will explain here with some examples. First, look at here, N. Now, if we count A to Z letters from starting, if we start to count from A to Z, there are 26 letters. But in this 26 letters, there are 2 parts. One we call vowel and the another part we call consonant. Now what is vowel? You know, in English, these 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Again I am repeating here. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel and remaining all letters we call consonant. Again I am telling you, see what is consonants and vowel. In English, A to Z total alphabets are 26. But from this 26 alphabets, if we take out this 5 particular A, E, I, O, U, these 5 we call vowels. And remaining all letters from that group we call consonants. So how to use A, N before that? N, use before singular noun which begins with vowel or vowel sound. Now this N article, how to use that in sentence? First thing that you keep in your mind that A and N, these 2 articles, A, N, these 2 articles we are only using before singular nouns. Singular means what? Which refer only one. If there is pencils, pencil means many, there we can't use this article A and then we cannot use this. But if there is just only pencil, eraser, if they are talking about only one thing, so that is singular noun. If any noun which we are going to use only for one, those nouns we call singular nouns. And singular noun, only before singular noun you can use A, N, these 2 articles. Okay? But the most important thing for N, how to use this article? As I told you that there are 2 parts, vowels and consonants, right? And which are vowels? As I told you, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel. We call this vowels, right? For an example, you can see this word here. Here I write apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Correct? Say this, the first letter of this word. This word starts with A. And A, this is vowel. If any word begins with vowel, before that you use A and N. The next word also here, you can see it on the blackboard. A-X-E, axe. So this word also starts with A and A, this is vowel. So before that also we write here A and N. The The next one, H-O-U-R-R. This word not start with vowel H. This is consonant because only 5 are vowel. A, E, I, O, U. This is A, no. This is I, no. This is O, no. This is U, no. So H, this is not vowel. This is consonant. But when we are pronouncing this word, when we are reading this word, actually what is happening here? We are not reading H. We are reading only R. Okay? We are only saying our. So here we start with O. The pronunciation of this word we start with O, not with H. So O, this is vowel, not a consonant. H we are writing in word, but we are not pronouncing it. And we pronounce this word with O. So O, this is vowel, and before that also we will write A and N. So keep this thing in your mind. The pronunciation also matter a lot. If any word, their pronunciation, if it starts with vowel sound, before that also you use A and N. Next thing is A. Now how to use A article? Use before singular noun which begins with consonant. Now how to use A, this thing, this article? When we are talking about singular, means only about one thing. This rule, it is for N and A, means for both article. If noun is only singular noun, then only we can use A N, not before plural noun. If they are talking about many things with the help of the name, we cannot use A N. If just only they are using that noun for only one thing, then only we can use A N. So keep this thing in your mind. That if any word begins with consonant, you know that if we cut A, E, I, O, U, all remain we call consonant. Means after A there is B, but B is in this 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. B it is here? No. B is not in this group. So B, this is consonant. Only 5 letters are vowel. Remaining all are consonants. So if any words begins and start with consonant, before that we are using A. Now see the example. First is P-E-N, pain. Always check that the word start with consonant or vowel and the pronunciation also. Pronounce the word, find out that pronunciation, the word which we are reading, that is start with consonant or vowel pronunciation or vowel sound, that is also more important. Now see this one, this is word P-E-N. Just check the first letter of this word. This is P. Now P, this is consonant or vowel? This is consonant. This is not comes in vowel. This is consonant. And also read the word pen. So this is also consonant sound. This word begins with consonant sound. So here we will write a pen. This way we will use this article here. The next word is D-O-G, dog. This word starts with D. D, this is vowel or consonant? Correct, this is consonant. So D, this is consonant, and now we will read this word, dog. The pronunciation of this word is also start with consonant sound. So here we will use a dog, this way. So this way we are using A and these two articles before noun. That noun, it should be in singular noun, that need to be referred only one. And if it begins with vowel, then write A and N. If begins with consonant, then write A. Now the most important thing, that is the. Most of the students, they face difficulty in this concept, that how to use the article. Now there are some rules we are going to talk here. We are going to discuss here with some examples. Now the first rule is when we speak about specific thing. When we most of the time we talk about the things which is not specific, which is commonly available everywhere. But this is not correct. When we talk about specific thing, about only one particular thing. As like if I want to tell you about sun, if I want to tell you that sun rises in the east. So just only sun rises in the east, this is correct? No. Sun is specific thing. Sun is just only one. This is not the common thing which we can see everywhere. No. This is one particular specific thing. And this is the most important rule while using the article in a sentence. When we talk about specific thing, about particular thing which is just only one, that time we are using the before the noun. Okay? For an example, the sun rises in the east. This way, before sun, we use here the, this article. Second rule number 2 is when we talk second time about same thing. What happened most of the time when we start to, if anyone come in your class, if any teacher enter in your class, and if your teacher start to teach you lesson with a story. She start the story with that Rahul like to eat a fruit. But when again she talk about the same fruit again in that story in the next sentence. So there she will use the. For an example, I bought some fruit from market. The fruit are very tasty. So here in the first sentence, when I talk about fruit, I use some. There are no articles, correct? There is no article actually. That just only I write some. That I bought some fruits from the market. But when again I talk about the same thing about those fruits, I use the fruits are very tasty. Most of the time what happening when we talk about anything, the first time we are using an. But again second time we repeat that thing. Again second time we speak about the same thing. There we need to use the. Okay. Now the next one is if the speaker and listener know about that thing. Means just imagine that you and your friend, if you both are on telephone, on mobile, if you both are talking to each other. And your friends, if your friend say that I'm not going to come to school, or the school will remain closed for tomorrow. So here the speaker means that boy who is telling this thing and the boy who is listening this thing. They know that about which thing they are talking, about which school they are talking here. What I told you when we talk about specific thing, right? There are many schools around us in a district, in our taluka or in village also. But if the speaker, the person who is telling you and the listener, the person who is listening that thing, if this both person, if they know about that thing, if they know that about which thing we are talking about, then before that thing, before that noun, you use the article. The last one is use before name of country. When we talk about country, if we take United States, so we cannot say just only United States. When we talk about country, before that you use the United States. This way we need to talk about countries. Before name of countries, you use the. And now this way we learn about a and the, about this articles, that how to use in a sentence. We will learn something more about this topic with some examples. Now let's see which examples we are going to solve with the help of this information.
Before to solve some examples related to the article part, first we will read use of an with the help of this chart. Now see this, the first one uses. Used before word beginning with a consonant sound. Now, here are three pictures: MAN man, LAMP lamp, CAT cat. These three words start with M, L, and C, and this M, L, C are consonants. So before that, we can use here a. Second rule: used before word that begins with a vowel sound. Now there are five vowels which we learn, that is A, E, I, O, U. See these three pictures: A double P L E apple, E R A S E R eraser, U M B R E double L A umbrella. These three words start with A, E, U. These three are vowel, and that's why they use ANN, this article, before the vowel. See the third rule: A, N should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or the adverb adjective combination which stand before a noun. Just remember one thing, that pronounce the word. If there is adjective, read the word with adjective, and the pronunciation, if it start with vowel sound, before that you use ANN, and if the pronunciation of that word start with consonant sound, there you use a. Now 80 years old man. So here old man, when we read this, they start with O, and O, this is vowel. So that's why they use ANN. Second picture, what they write below the picture? A golden necklace. So they start with golden necklace means with G, and the pronunciation of this word start with consonant sound. So they use A. Then the third one is a pretty girl. Pretty girl, this word also start with consonant sound, and they use a pretty girl. Next is use a before word, later number, which sounds like they begins with a consonant even if the first letter is vowel. As you know that we already talk about this thing. You need to read the words. If the pronunciation start with vowel sound, it doesn't matter that consonant is there or not. The pronunciation is mostly important. If we pronounce the word and that start with vowel sound, write ANN. If it start with consonant sound, you write a. See this euro. This word start with E, and E, this is vowel, but when we are pronouncing, we are saying euro. So we are pronouncing Y, and Y, this is consonant. So pronunciation of this word start with consonant sound, and that's why they use a euro. Then next is university. For the university also same rule they applied here. University, this word when we are pronouncing, they start with Y, with ear, with this pronunciation, with a consonant sound. In spelling, they start with vowel, but the pronunciation, it start with consonant sound. So they again use a university. The last one is use N before the word, later number, which sound like they start with vowel even if the first letter is consonant. Now, we have taken this example while discussing about article, that if the word start with a vowel sound, so before that you use A and N. The first example, hour. So here this word start with H, but the pronunciation, it start with O, and O, this is vowel. H is silent in this word. So that's why they use ANN. This way we discuss about the use of AN, and we already known about how to use THE the in a sentence. Now we will solve some examples, some questions related to this part. Here is the first question. Now what is the question? Circle the article in each sentence below. Just find out that where they use article and circle it. First sentence, we travel to a new city every year. Here, which article they use? A. Before new city, they use here a. Second sentence is we went to the room we were assigned. So now before room they use here the and the this is article. Sentence number 3. Did you see the play? Before play they use the article here. Sentence number 4. I ate an apple for lunch. Before apple word they use an this article in sentence number 4. Sentence number 5. I walked inside a new classroom. Before new classroom they use a and a this is article. Sentence number 6. That was an entertaining show. Here before entertaining show they use an this article. Sentence number 7. We walked back to the living room after dinner. Here they use the before living room and the this is article. Sentence number 8. He brought the video game he just bought. Before video game they use here the video game means the this is article. And the last one is he felt a tingle in his neck. Here before tingle they use a this article. This way we learn that where they use and we identify articles from these sentences. But now complete the blanks with the using of articles. See the next question, it is here. Question number 2. Fill in which article best complete each sentence given below. For an example, I go to dash dash public school. There are 3 options A and the. Which article is correct for the blank? The A. So I go to a public school. Here a this is the correct article. There are 8 sentences which you need to complete with a suitable article which are presented which are given in the bracket. First sentence, I would love to tell you dash dash story, a story, an story or the story. So now here the person is telling you about a story and story this word start with a consonant. So before consonant we are using a. I would love to tell you a story. Sentence number 2. Can you take me to dash dash doctor? A doctor, an doctor or the doctor? So here this doctor, this word start with D. It means we start with consonant. But they are talking about particular doctor. So which one is correct? A or the? Can you take me to the doctor or to a doctor? So here the correct answer is can you take me to a doctor? Third is we will go to dash dash movies today's. As we learn the rule that a and these 2 articles we can only use before singular nouns. But they use movies this word. Movies means many. This is not singular. So here you can use the. We will go to the movies today. Sentence number 4. I saw dash dash elephant at the zoo. Elephant, this word start with E and E this is vowel. Before vowel we are using an. So I saw an elephant at the zoo. Sentence number 5. Will you watch dash dash play with me? Now there are 3 options A and the. They are talking about play. Now this play word start with P. P this is vowel or consonant? This is consonant. So before this we can use a article. Will you watch a play with me? Sentence number 6. I am going to dash dash after school event. So which option is correct? I am going to the school after school event. I am going to an after school event or I am going to a after school event. Here they are talking about one particular school event, so I am going to the after school event. Now, sentence number 7. We saw dash dash exciting basketball game. Exciting, this word start with E and E, this is vowel. So the answer will be we saw an exciting basketball game. The last sentence is I saw dash dash cat in my backyard. Cat, this word start with C and C, this is consonant. So we will write here a. I saw a cat in my backyard. This way, with these examples, we learn here how to use these articles and how to find out it from the sentence. I hope with the help of this question and with the help of this video, you will understand the concept of article. Thank you.